Tenders. Today we're going to talk about the care and needs of 5 to 6 week old baby chicks. Hi, my name is Melina and welcome to Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about our 40-acre farm, our animals, and homesteading. Follow us and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below. So your babies are getting bigger and you have noticed feathers. By now, feathers have replaced that cute little baby fuzz that they had, and they no longer need the warming light. Now, it is October here in Illinois, so it gets a little cool at night. I still do not use my light, but I have them in the garage, in the back, away from any drafts. So you need to keep your brooder or your coop or your enclosure that you have your chicks in draft free to make sure that your little ones don't get sick. Also, all these really awesome feathers that are coming in, they're pretty cool, aren't they? Different patterns, colors, things you never even thought you'd see from a little bitty black chick with a white dot on its head, and now all of a sudden it's completely different. Welcome to being a chicken tender. I love to watch these little babies grow, and they never disappoint me. My rooster right now has the most beautiful green feathered tail that I have ever seen on a chicken before. So enjoy all these different changes in your little chicks. Another thing about your chicken's appearance, their wattles and their combs are starting to come in. They're starting to go from a real light pink and start to get a little darker of a red, which is pretty exciting in itself. All these little changes to your chickens almost makes you feel like you want to take some week-by-week pictures so you don't miss out on anything. Your birds, as you know, are very social by now, and they have developed a pecking order. You should be able to figure out pretty much what it is at this point by watching your flock and seeing what they're doing. The pecking order is very well established right now, and so you can see who is on the top and who is on the bottom. You want to just pay kind of close attention to the ones that are on the bottom. Sometimes they get picked on, but usually I have not had one that's been picked on very much. They're just not as dominant as the other ones, and therefore they're not higher in the ranks. So bigger birds means bigger messes, and while I normally clean my cages for my smaller chickens maybe on a weekly basis or so, depending on how dirty it gets, these chickens I do about every 3 days. You can't have your babies laying in chicken poop and their pine shavings or their straw or whatever you have as bedding. So you want to make sure that you're continually cleaning that out. Also, adjust the height of your feed and waterers. Whatever you're using to feed your babies with, it needs to go on something that's going to elevate it up to where it is level with your chickens' backs. That's very important for as you have growing chicks that you continually keep raising up their food and water. Share your thoughts with me. What are your chicken tender tips on 5 to 6 week old chicks? Tell me about your setup, where you keep them, what kind of coop or brooder that you're using, what kind of bedding, what kind of food, specifically what brands are you using. Tell me all the things that you're doing. Tell me about their feathers. Tell me your tips, tell me your tricks, and share your thoughts down below in the comments. And here we are at Homesteading Farm Life, where my family and I, we literally homestead and DIY just about everything around us. You can join our journey by clicking the subscribe button below and choose that little bell icon so you never miss a video.